Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Dustin Yu at Bianca De Vera, nagkalabasan na ng nararamdaman ngayon. Alamin po natin yan dito sa ating video. Dito po muna tayo kay Dustin Yu, kung saan ang pagkakasabi niya po ay the little wins, the rough patches, the moments no one saw, all of it added up and it changed me. Still figuring things out, still trying, but I'm learning to be proud of how far I've done. More than anything, I'm so grateful for the challenges that push me, the good moments that remind me why I keep going, and everything in between. I've come to realize that becoming who you are doesn't always happen the way you expect. Sometimes it's in the small, consistent ways you keep showing up, and over time you realize your strength was building all along. To all the amazing supporters and to everyone who's been there, whether loudly or quietly, thank you. I don't think I'll ever be able to explain how much that means to me. I appreciate you all more than you will ever know. You've been such a blessing in this journey, and I'll carry that with me wherever I go. A chapter I didn't see coming, but one I always value. Okay? So, meron pong nakabasa po dyan na isa po sa mga actress na talagang kilalang kilala po sa Pilipinas. At pinalakpakan po siya dahil dito po sa message na ito. At ito po ay si Lobby po. Yan po, pinalakpakan po siya. At yung iba pong mga kaibigan niya na kilala rin po sa social media ay talagang support po si Dustin Yu sa kanyang ibinigay o ibinahagi na mensahe matapos po siyang maibik. Samantala, dito naman po tayo kay Bianca De Vera. So, ang pagkakasabi naman po ni Bianca De Vera po dito ay ito. Sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, wala kang choice kundi harapin ang sarili mo. Yung totoong ikaw. Walang filter, walang escape. Just raw emotions, real connections, and moments that tested every part of who I am. Ang dami kong natutunan kay Kuya, sa mga housemates ko, at syempre sa sarili ko. Kuya, thank you for giving me this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Thank you for seeing every part of me at sa pagtanggap sa akin bilang isang tao na may puso, takot, pangarap, at paninindigan. I will carry your lessons with me always. To my housemates, I grew up as an only child. Pero sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, I found 19 siblings I never knew I needed. Sobrang nakakagulat and beautiful how strangers became my safe space, my biggest supporters, and eventually my family. Thank you for letting me grow with you, laugh with you, cry with you, and dream beside you. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan ever. To my supporters, naging lakas ko kayo in every hard moment. Parang may boses na bumubulong na kaya mo yan, Bianca, and now I know that voice was you. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you for standing by me, for believing in my heart and for making me feel like I was never alone. So, yan po yung mensahe naman ni Bianca De Vera na mapapansin po natin na talagang napaka-positibo po ng dalawa. At tiyak, ito pong mga dadating na mga panahon, tiyak, ito pong dalawa ay magkakaroon po ng gandang proyekto. Kasi alam naman po natin na sila po ay nakabuo po ng magandang samahan at tiyak sila po ay pagsasamahin at makikita po nating magkasama yung dalawa at sweet pa. So guys, kung gusto nyo pong ma-update sa nangyayari po kay Bianca De Vera at Dustin Yu, subscribe na po kayo sa ating channel na Juan Katawa. Maraming salamat po.